Hello guys, in today's video we're going to be exploring a strategy that can actually get you up to 10,000 leads right here to your CPA marketing offers, even as a beginner right here. So you want to just simply take advantage of this strategy right now and do watch this video to the end to learn this exact same strategy to start promoting your CPA marketing offers. And guys, we're going to be utilizing this platform right here called the Opus.pro to actually help us do that. And this is also the Opus Clip right here. We're going to be utilizing the capabilities of this AI tool right now to go on to promoting our CPA marketing offers. So without further ado guys, and more delay of time, let's just simply jump right ahead into today's video. So guys, we all know that this platform right here called the Opus Clip is a cool video creation tool where you can actually convert one long video into 10 viral clips. We can actually create them 10 times faster than you actually do right now. So you could actually use this particular platform to cut longer videos into shorter ones right there. You split that video into about 10 clips right there, and you can see right here the Opus Clip is a generative AI video tool that repurposes long video into shorts in one click, and it is powered by the OpenAI. So the same people that actually went on to creating the ChatGPT were the same people that went on to creating this AI tool called the Opus Clip. So how do we use this strategy right now? The first step right here would be to go onto YouTube, and you want to just simply get a URL to a very long motivational video. So right now guys, I might just simply get a URL to this video right here by right clicking on the video. Just simply click on copy link address, and right now I'm just going to head on to Opus Clip right here. Once I actually do go on to logging into my account, you can create an account. It's pretty simple right here. And guys, you do get to try out the free version, because the free version which I am using right here, I only have 2 hours of video upload right here on this particular platform. But you can actually do go on to maybe clicking on pricing right here to go on to checking out the pricing plans of this particular AI tool, and you'll be able to see more details about that right here. So going right ahead guys, once I do log into my account right now, I'm just going to paste in the link to that particular YouTube video, and as right now guys, you could see that it's going on to analyze that particular link. So I'm just going to wait till it's done analyzing this link right now. As you can see right here, I'm just going to go on to clicking on get clips in one click, and once I do go on to clicking on that right here guys, as you can see, it's loading through. So you can see right here, it says this service is currently experiencing a high demand and you are currently number 1 in the queue. Estimate waiting time is about 12 minutes right here. You can safely leave this page. We will send you an email notification when it is done. So I'm just going to wait guys until about 12 minutes, and it's actually going to analyze that particular video and help me split that video into various clips. As you can see right there, it's already fetching the video right now, and it's actually estimated the waiting time for it to go on to processing and analyzing my video, and that's about 8 minutes right here. So I'm just going to wait for this 8 minutes to be complete before I can then go on further guys. So I'm just going to pause this video until this is actually complete. So basically you can see right here guys that this particular Opus Clip actually splitted my video into about, let me say 8 scenes right here, or 10 videos right here. As you can see, it actually did that and splitted the video, that lengthy video, into 10 videos right here. And you can actually do go on to checking out each video. You could actually download the video, you could go on to editing that video based on your preference right here. I'm going to leave it as this portrait version right now. I'm just going to go on to clicking on download to actually download this video on my device. As you can see right here, it's already begun the downloading section right now. So once this video has been downloaded guys, we're actually going to move on to the next step. And that next step right here will head on to this particular platform called canva.com. And why you do head on to Canva right here guys, you just want to go on to editing that particular video right here. And if you do go onto the video section guys, make sure you do go on to clicking on maybe the mobile video or the Instagram reels right here. You could use any of these particular portrait videos right here, and once you actually do go on to using that right here guys, you'll be brought to a page such as this where you want to just simply go on to editing that video. So what I'm going to do right now guys is that I'm going to just simply come onto this upload section, and I'm just going to upload that video which I just downloaded from my device right here. Once I do the video right here, once I double click on it, the uploading process has actually begun right now. So once this video is actually done uploading guys, we're going to head on to the next step. So guys, the video is actually done uploading. I'm just going to drag that right here and put in this particular section, and you can see right here that I've actually uploaded this particular video right here. So basically guys, this video right here is going to be in this section. all you have to do right now is just simply add in a text, and you want to just simply add in something like a header text right here. Once I do click on this right here, I'm just gonna put in something like I'm putting something like this, which says giveaway link in bio right here. So I'm just gonna drag this particular section right here. I'm gonna put it in this section right now. I'm just gonna increase the size right here and also increase this particular size. Then I'm just gonna change the font color right there. So if I do come right here and I do change this to red, that should be visible right now. So you can see right here that that is actually visible right now. I could just simply come right here, maybe remove this section so that it will only be giveaway link right here. And I'm just going to put that right here in this particular section. So guys, once that has actually been done, I'm just going to drag this to this section right now. Maybe I might just simply go on to increasing the font right here. So once that has actually been done right here, I'm just going to go on to changing this color right here. So something like red also. And you can see right now that this is how cool it actually is. So right now, this is actually a call to action in this particular video. This says giveaway link in bio. Right now, you just want to go on to clicking on share, and you want to just simply go on to downloading this particular video right here on your device. You could download it as an MP4 format, click on download, and the downloading process has actually begun. So once this video is actually downloaded right now, guys, you want to just simply head on to your social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok. You can use this exact same strategy for TikTok right here, but I'm going to be focusing more on Instagram. So once that video has actually been uploaded right there or downloaded on your device, you just want to head on to Instagram, go on to creating an cool Instagram account right there that is actually tailored to a particular niche. You want to make sure your Instagram account has a cool profile name, a cool profile picture or banner, and you want to just simply go on to editing your bio properly. But before you do that, guys, you just want to go on to start uploading that particular video on your Instagram Reels right here, because that video is actually a portrait video and it actually lasts about 30 something seconds right here, about 38 seconds as you can see right here. So once that video has actually been downloaded, as you can see, it's downloaded on my device. I'm just going to go on to Instagram, upload that particular video right here, and try as much as possible to grow my Instagram account. But guys, you can remember right here that there's a call to action right here telling them that giveaway link in the bio. So you just want to make sure, guys, that in the bio of your Instagram account, you do add in the giveaway link right there, which will be a link to a CPA marketing offer, which is where you actually need to go onto CPA marketing platforms like CPA Grip, log into your account. And right now, guys, you just want to go into selecting offers, click on my offers right here. And once you do click on my offers, you can actually select offers from any country of your choice. I'm going to select offers from the United States right here. And guys, there are numerous offers which you could go on to selecting right here and start promoting. You can see right here, this is actually a giveaway right here for $750 for you to go on to spending towards your summer style. And you can see more details to this particular offer. What you have to actually do right now is to copy this link, and you want to make sure you promote multiple links in your Instagram team page. Instead, you want to just simply head onto this platform called Linktree, where you can actually promote multiple links using just one link. And if I do log into my account on Linktree right here, you could create an account for free. But right now I'm logged into my account. All you actually have to do right now is to click on add link, and you want to just simply come right here to this URL section, paste in that new URL for your CPA marketing offer, click on add. But it's going to show you that this is actually an unhealthy link. This is an unsafe link. That's why you need to head onto this platform called tinyurl.com to help you shorten that link just by pasting the link right here and click on shorten URL. And right here you get a short URL for that particular CPA marketing offer. Copy the new link right here, head onto your link tree, and actually go on to editing this particular section right now. I'm just going to go on to pasting the new link right here, click on enter, and you will see that that link right now is actually safe. So I'm just going to go on to changing the title for this particular stuff right here. I'm going to copy the same title as in CPA Grip right here. Once I do copy that title, head on to Linktree and edit the title right here to this section. So once I do click on enter, guys, you can see that that has actually been set. This is the preview section right here. So you could go on to adding multiple CPA marketing offers that are actually giveaway right here to this particular link tree. And guys, you could just want to just simply click on add link to add more links right there. And you can see right here, I actually added a title right here which says for US residents only. So once you do that, guys, you can get multiple CPA marketing offers to promote. Then once you get that, guys, just simply click on share, copy your CPA, your Linktree link right here, and actually do head on to your Instagram team page right here. Make sure that link right here is in the bio of your account, just like how this person right here is doing. You just want to go on to editing your bio right here. Perfectly fine. You want to just simply tell them that this is actually a giveaway and actually put the link right here in the bio of your account. So as many people do come to this particular link, click on that link, they're going to be taken to your Linktree page where they just simply have to select any CPA marketing offer of their choice, complete that, and they stand a chance of getting that giveaway. And you also do get paid some cool affiliate commission. As you can see right here, for this offer you do get paid $2.31 for every qualified lead. So this is an amazing strategy which you want to take advantage of right here, because the video which you actually got right here from Opus Clip, you actually went on to Canva and added a call to action right here telling them that there's a link in the bio of the account, and anyone that actually goes on to watching that particular video will be interested in checking that giveaway, and that is actually going to help you drive a lot of traffic to your CPA marketing offers. So in doing so guys, you want to just simply create lots of videos. You can actually get all the 10 videos that were created right here with the help of Opus Clip and actually do a similar thing right there, and that's actually going to help you get content to your Instagram team pages right there, and also that is also going to help you grow and also going to help you promote your CPA marketing offers. So these are actually amazing strategies which you want to take advantage of right now to promote your CPA marketing offers right here with the help of this platform or AI tool called the opusclip.com. And I hope this video has been of help to you. If yes, why not just simply go to smashing the like button, subscribe to this channel, and make sure notification bell is turned on all. Thank you all for watching guys. See you all in my next video, and goodbye.